Hi, this is Quina, and today I want to talk about dengue. Why dengue? Of course, as you know, right? I mean, Singapore is very much affected. In fact, it is this year is expected to record the highest number of dengue cases and also the highest number of deaths so far, right? And of course, many other countries as well are affected by this disease, which so far has not have any drugs or vaccines that can really cure it. Yeah. So what are the symptoms? And the symptoms normally are headaches, joint pain, right? Severe pain in the body, and in the very serious cases, it can even lead to bleeding, and then with alarming or resulting in alarming drop in platelets, right? Which means very serious loss of blood, which is a very key, vital ingredients for survival, right? And so then, why am I talking about this? So the thing is, then I thought, I will just share my family's knowledge, especially my parents' 50 years of experience in the herbs business, on what we can do, right, to try to just maybe prevent this from happening, just strengthen our immunity, right? And so some of it's a drink, it's a herbal drink, it's a sweet drink, right? It's a little bit bitter, but we're gonna neutralize it with some raw sugar, raw cane sugar or yellow sugar, and that will neutralize. And then this is one of those herbal drinks that can be drank by most people, except pregnant women or those people with cold cough. In Mandarin, it's called hanke, right? That means you cough because of your cold body constitution. Yeah, but most people nowadays normally suffer from this heatiness because easily heaty, constipation, right? Not enough water. Our weather also is not helping. It's mostly tropical, although now there are some rain, but most people do not drink enough water. So normally there's a lot of heat in the body, the lungs, right? And also the kidney and so forth. And so today's soup, right, it has quite a lot of plants, right, and leaf kind of herbs, and which you can purchase from medical halls, yeah. And so the thing is this, the key about this soup, what are the benefits, is really to detox, to clear heat, especially heat from the lungs, right, reduce phlegm, antibacterial, and also anti-inflammation, which, so if you protect yourself first, right, with the right body balance, then if the virus really hit you, at least you are better able to fight it, right? Because the symptoms that we know, right, is fever, joint pain, right, all this. So these are mostly related to or cough-like symptoms. These are mostly the result also of someone with a heaty body constitution, yeah. So that's why I thought there's no really soups or one magic bullet pill to prevent dengue. But I thought, why not, right, curate something? And this is really, I really seek my parents' expertise, and they came up with this, and I thought I just want to share with you all, yeah. And so this is one of those drink that will be just beneficial. Even if even if you take all the precaution, this drink will be anyway just good for you, right? If anything, it will just keep you healthy, keep you anti-inflammation, detox, antibacterial, right? But of course, if the worst thing happens, at least you have some sort of protection, right? I would say, right? I mean, there's no guarantee here, of course, but at least this is something we can do first to prevent, just to make ourselves more healthy. We're better able to handle the disease if it really comes, yeah. And of course, one thing I want to highlight, and this has already been proven, and it's been used a lot in Malaysia and India. In the worst case of dengue, so most cases of dengue we read is just, it's just like fever, it's just like viral infection that you just given, if you go to the Western doctor, they just give you some medicine like paracetamol and so forth to just treat the symptoms, and then they ask you to bed rest at home. and then most of the cases you will get well within like 1 to 2 weeks on your own. The body is able to heal itself, most people. But in the worst extreme cases, there are people who, you know, will bleed. Those are the very serious ones. Not sure why, but maybe because their immune system is low, is less strong. And in those cases, they actually bleed, and then they, you know, followed by very high fever, and then, you know, or some of it like a shock syndrome, low blood pressure, very serious drop in blood platelet, very fast, sudden drop. In this kind of cases, right? Of course, clear with your doctor first, but they have been proven successful cases in Malaysia and India where they use simple ingredients, which is the raw papaya leaves, right? Of course, clean it and just juice it and just literally extract out the juice from these papaya leaves. And that has been proven to actually help this kind of patients with dengue in the very extreme cases where they, you know, really bleed until their platelet seriously drop, and then that can really result in death. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to share this, and yeah, so that's it. And so comment if you would like to have the full recipe. Yes, and please share this video, share this post with as many people as possible, so more people will benefit from this free sharing. So okay, so thank you so much, and yeah, great week ahead.